What's up, guys? So welcome to today's video where I'm going to be comparing the Insta360 ONE R, which is right. Ow! I slammed my head into the... Alright, well, welcome to the video. So today I'm going to be comparing the Insta360 ONE R with the camera that's filming right now, which is the Hero 8. And just now I am fixing my drone with electrical tape and taping the GoPro mount onto it because it's a little bit broken. But we're gonna be going to a little windmill field out east and gonna be doing some dives and hopefully not hitting a windmill. But first,
touch the door!
Oh God, get the wipes!
There's no more wipes.
Quarantine vibes AF right now. We took our Chipotle and we're eating in the car at a lookout point. 3, 2, 1, hit it. Alright guys, so we are on the way to the windmills. We're going kind of crazy in quarantine. The cool thing about Colorado, at least where we live, is that if you go west like 45 minutes, you are like super deep in the mountains, and then if you go east, you're way out in the plains. So it's pretty cool. And there are these windmills that we saw when we came in from the East Coast. So that's where we're headed. But there in the distance, we're close. Hit it. Alright guys, so we've made it to the windmills and I am testing the Hero 8 first. I'm gonna be shooting in 4K 60 with Hypersmooth on. So let's do it. This is so scary. Much scarier than I thought. That was way sketchier than I thought. That was actually terrifying. They're going so fast. But anyways, I'm switching this camera over to 2.7K 60 at the 4/3 crop. And I'm gonna be stabilizing it with Real Steady. So that is what's happening now. Hopefully not gonna hit the windmill. That was really sketch, but super fun. So that's it for that flight. I'm switching over to the Insta360. Yo guys, just a quick little note about this footage. So I had not installed an update onto my camera that allowed me to edit the Insta360 footage in Final Cut, which is my editing software. So this footage that you're about to see is actually exported from my camera roll from the Insta360 app. So it's not as good a quality as the Insta360 can actually put out, but I installed the update now, so next time you guys see Insta360 footage, it will be full quality. Anyways, just wanted to leave this quick note in here, so in the future the footage will look better. Alright, so the drone is down and I didn't crash it how I thought I would. Thought I would crash into one of these giant spinning death machines, but it crashed in the middle of nowhere. I don't really know why it crashed, but I found the drone. There's little bits and pieces like everywhere, except I can't find the camera. Hopefully it turns up. The hunt continues for the Insta360. The drone is like right over there, and I found the battery like right here. So the drone was going really fast, so it definitely, the battery obviously bounced like here, but the camera is nowhere to be found. Oh, there it is. Hell yeah, sick. Alright, well, so now we can see what happened and go into this video that's still recording and see what's good.
So I decided to see if Danny can figure out if I left him or not. So I found him and I wonder if he can see me. I don't know. There he is. Sir, you look a bit lost.
The drone was like in one spot, and then there was just carnage like for 30 feet. Just like the battery and the camera and everything. So Nicole almost left me
Hiding.
to die. This is the carnage. There's the little GoPro mount. There's the bottom strap, like somehow totally broke. The Oblivion shell came off. The battery didn't explode, so that's pretty cool. And the drone itself looks okay. Yeah. A little dusty, but I'm really not sure how it crashed, so let's see. The drone is definitely now not flyable, so we're gonna head back and just take a look at the footage. But if I don't see you again, that's the end of the video. The little short adventure.
Peace out, Girl Scouts.
Anyways, hope you guys like the video. I'll see you on the next one. We're probably going to be doing more quarantine adventure videos, so I'll see you then. But thanks for watching. See ya.